Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. We have some breaking news today. Things are going down. Let's first go over Ripple. Then if you wait till the end, we're going to go over what could this broader news impact the general market, especially with things looming like maybe World War III. It's crazy times for us in this world, but let's get right into it today. Here's the first positive set of news, right? There has been 1 billion Ripple unlocked by Ripple, and the price did react with a 3% growth. So basically, Ripple is a San Francisco-based crypto payment provider. They have released another 1 billion worth of their token from its Escrow account. This is all according to Whale Alert report. Now, as usual, Ripple released the tokens on October 1st, which is basically their standard practice of doing it on the very first day of the month. The release of the 1 billion tokens was done in 3 separate transactions. The first one was about 500 million Ripple token worth about $310 million. And this all came from their Escrow holdings. Next, there's supposed to be another 400 million, and that has an estimated value of 248 million and 89. And this was also released, and last transaction we saw was about 62.25 million released from their Escrow. What does that mean for us? It does have a positive outlook with the market showing a 3% gain thanks to that in just a couple of hours. And as a result, the price is going to keep bouncing back, and it is basically giving a new dynamic resistance level that stretched from 2022. And you can see that down here because it was very, very difficult for them to break that. But now that we are breaking that, it does have potential to keep going up because of something like that. Now, what I really, really like too is that there is news that asset management firm Bitwise has now filed for a spot ETF. What is an ETF? Electronically traded fund. What this is going to basically do is it's going to allow what I call the general public to get into Ripple without directly buying Ripple. And if this does get approved, this could change the game, and we could see 10 to 20 to 30% gains just like that. And I'm really hoping that is the case. Now, the asset management firm is named Bitwise, and they have just filed it with the Delaware Division of Corporations. This does not confirm an immediate filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, but what it does show is there's movement towards positivity to maybe get a full ETF approved. Now, the asset management firm initiated the process. I don't know when. I'm assuming yesterday because the article is brand new. Yeah, this is just today. So I'm assuming yesterday or so. But here's the thing, the SEC has until October 7th to appeal a ruling by the district judge Annalisa Torres concerning their programmatic sales. This could also impact the approval. I know it's a different department, but seeing something like this would impact the Delaware division to make that decision. So hopefully this positively goes well, because then that will start that chain effect and give us a positive outlook for them getting it approved here. And then once this is done, I do believe Bitwise will go towards the SEC and file it there. Now, there are rumors, well, there have been rumors about the ETF, and these are not new clearly, but they've just been fabrications to manipulate it, where now here we're getting a very, very direct answer from Bitwise stating that this is what's happening. And this came after the CEO, Brad, I hate his last name, asserted that XRP ETF is inevitable. Yes, he's saying it because it's positivity for him, and I do hope he's right. And I actually also do believe it is inevitable, but only time will tell, and the general market will determine what the crypto world is going to do. Because right now we also have some looming things in the air, like this maybe World War III coming down with Trump and Harris and all this fighting. And I don't know how that's going to impact the entire market, except for huge crashes. So you need to be prepared. And if all of your assets and net worth is in crypto, you need to be a little smart about it. Just take some profits. I know it's bad to say because we're going to lower the market, but you need to be able to protect yourself to weather the storm and get through the next one. We do know that Iran has just attacked Israel, and that is how you start a World War III. And I'm really hoping that this does not end up actually negatively destroying everything, but we'll see what happens. I don't want to go through the whole article for you guys. What I do want you to know, though, is keep watching the news right now. I don't always say that, but do so, and then keep checking the charts. Make sure that you've got some in the sidelines just to be safe. Big warning to all of us, just because of what's happening politically and the whole geosphere. And I know we're still waiting on these looming elections to know what's going to happen next. Just stay safe, stay positive, and focus on the charts. also watching the broader news. Don't let it scare you, but just understand what's happening so you can make smart decisions on how to move your money and your assets, okay? Do me a favor, click subscribe if you found this helpful. Click that like and share button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.